Yes, 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 yes. All right, brother. Good, good. All right. First and foremost, what I say, happy Mother's Day to all of the nice and decent, sophisticated mama them out there, all over the world. 10 star, I say respect to the fullest. Enjoy on yourself. Make certain you be safe. And you know God bless all the time. 10 star represent the nice and decent Gaza sophisticated mama them out there and all mama in general who are do the work. 10 star I say respect to the fullest. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. You know it is Mama's Day today. Yes, sir. Right about now, you know. I see, you know, UTG on stage. It was a powerful reason the youth them a Winford have. We like that. When you hear the youth them a make you know all over the Caribbean and some international country, them want go promote them album said way. You see what I say? Which way? That is a beautiful look for them and them career to where the youth them a take it. You see what I say? So now already she say the youth them a take it from a cute angle. You see what I say? Which is right. The man them now deal with no horror come up to it. You see what I say? A real concrete way the man them a come up as an artist. That means them a build from scratch come up, foundation. Them not rely upon just say, well then, a Vybz Kartel of them father. I know that the youth them a rely upon. You see what I say? The youth them a make you know. Say, beside all of that, them are tough artists. You see what I say? I don't try, them a branch off and a build upon them own thing. You see what I say? UTG, Uptown Gaza, which is right. So, respect to the youth them. Respect to Winford. It was a nice interview. We like it. We like how the youth them orchestrate themselves. I would say the youth them well knowledgeable in terms of reasoning. So that's a great look. Nation people, if we still go up there, go support the youth them album, go stream it off, make the youth them and say the billboard them want it. For sure people say, well then, yo them can't do that. So no gimmicks thing, nation people, because me been a telling you that already. You see what I say? So let us make certain you put in the work that the youth them can achieve. You see what I say? Where them attempt for. You see what I say? Real way I represent when I represent the lollipop with your nation people. So make certain you stream the hell out of the album Gaza Nation. Make certain the youth them think. Get to the numbers and the ideas and the vision what them having in their mind. You see what I say? Yeah. You see what I say? Real way. Right now, you know, I see some look claim saying, you know, me not know how we go on. You see what I say? But anyway, video come out and people are say, well then, a papi brother, a papi friend, or papi right hand, them claim them sit in a some video with some who don't know what go on. Beer. Sodom and Gomorrah business. You see what I say? So, we don't know. We don't really know the youth. Nor And the most me ever hear him name call from that thing there. Come out. You see me I say on social media. But the youth, him have more respect for himself, more respect for him brethren or him brother whosoever him it is the popcorn. Yeah, him have more respect for the man brand. You see what I say? I have more respect for the man individually. You see what I say? I have more respect for himself. Because right now, just by him attaching on himself to either the man brother, the man family, bloodline, whatever brethren, it's a shit like you tamper with the man brand. You see what I say? And that not good. You know, have nothing that way good. I'm not argue, you know. I'm not joke thing, I make nothing inside of that not good. No can't play around with the man brand like that. That not nice. That's what I say. And then you have some jockstrap sniffing vlogger now up on the internet. Watch them man your thing now. I know say no. The vlogger them wrong, you know, for put out video with popcorn face on it or him name and I say well then I'm family and I'm this or I'm whatsoever it want be, you know. Because you don't know that's what vlogger do. That's what I say. But to all me see them man here attach on the man picture side of the man name and I act like well then say it have to do something with popcorn personally. Like the brother now have a name for himself. You know what I mean? And the vlogger them told me see them happy and I rejoice. It's like them a do that for bring down popcorn or for bring shameless upon the man name. Or some shit like that. It can't be in other way nation people. You know what I mean? Yeah, I see some man I rejoice and I chat this and I chat that. The man them hunger rejoice just because. You see what I say? Them want to bring some kind of mystery upon the man name. Some of them, as we know, are some algorithm bitch them where I run down anywhere the algorithm there. So them can do some numbers. Some of them are just some clickbait, satties and crutches. Because enough of them where you see I put out video and I run out from popcorn. Them busy I do them thing there as them done them video, them go and dive and chuck off for true nobody now see them and nobody no know. That's what I say. So nobody follow where you hear enough of them look a shisky back here say, you know. As him done, you know, upload him video, you know. Him take off him swimwear already, you know, and dive off already, you know. As him done upload him video, you know. So nobody watch where you hear some of them run out and I say, you know. It's all about clickbait, you know. It's all about the algorithm, you know. You see what I say? I'm tell you, say, that most of them run down on YouTube. So it don't really matter about truth or lie. That's not what them deal with. Them deal with where the algorithm and take on. You hear that? And that's where them deal with on YouTube. I don't have to know that. You see what I say? So when I see the man them I run out and I go on certain way, you know what I believe. Say, well then, you know what I mean? And nothing more than forget some numbers on whatever video them drop. And that's why I'm gonna say popcorn name have it in front of the fucking editing on the video. But you know why? Because popcorn are the superstar and him name easy for call. That's the only thing that, you know what I mean? Yeah, popcorn are the superstar, so him name are easy for call. And from I say popcorn, it have to generate views. You see what I say? Where's the type of argument on the day they talk about, people go want to see what it is. So you see what I deal with? Yeah, but most of them where you hear run them out and I chat them out. Them not chat nothing about nothing at all, my brother. Them not chat nothing more than to catch the algorithm, you know. And some of them are just some popcorn haters them personally, you know. who dying for something like that occur, you know, so them could have run out and say, where you hear them and say, you know, are you even right where you hear them are right and I go on, you know, like a popcorn, you know, send them on, you know, if you got dive off in a girl crotches, you know. So the man them a go on, you know. Yeah, the man them a go on like a puppy, send them on. Yeah, if you got dive off in a girl crotches. You know what I mean? When them know how them thing they go. Because enough of them where you see a post up video about them shit, them I tell you as him done upload him video, him take off it, him put on him swimwear and dive off. No joke shit no dead about it. But that shit they now go care hold on the unruly balls. And all the unruly balls have to do I make certain to be careful of the circle and who they round him brand. It no matter if a family, close brethren, whosoever, just make certain because make certain you know you have to defend your thing, you know. You see what I say because that's a your brand, you know, your shit that, you know. You see what I say? You can't afford, you know, if you not go out a road or tamper with your thing, you know, my general. You see what I say? Yeah, man, no joke shit not dead about it. I don't know 10 star. Represent already. A Gaza way there ain't no other way. A 10 star. The general I represent. I say blessed Mother Day again to all and the nice and decent sophisticated mama them out there. 10 star I say what? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Blessed Mother's Day for all nice and decent sophisticated mama. Whoa.